Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Emma.
And I am Leo. It is so good to have you here with us today.
Today, we are going to talk about a very fun topic. We are going to talk about hobbies and what we like to do in our free time.
That is right, Emma. Learning how to talk about your hobbies is very important. It helps you make new friends and speak English more naturally.
Yes, and we will speak very slowly and clearly, so you can listen carefully and practice with us. Are you ready, Leo?
I am ready, Emma. Let's begin.
So, Leo, the weekend is finally here. Tell me, what do you usually do in your free time? Do you have any favorite hobbies?
Oh, I have a few hobbies, Emma, but my absolute favorite hobby is reading. I love reading books.
Wow, reading! That sounds wonderful. What kind of books do you like to read, Leo?
I mostly like to read fiction. I love adventure stories and mystery books. When I read, I feel like I am traveling to a different world. It relaxes my mind after a long week of work.
That is beautiful, Leo. How often do you read? Do you read every day?
I try to read every day, Emma. Usually, I read for 30 minutes before I go to sleep. It helps me sleep better. What about you, Emma? What do you like to do when you are not working?
Well, Leo, I have a very active hobby. I love gardening.
Gardening? That is amazing, Emma. Do you have a big garden at your house?
No, I do not have a very big garden. I live in a small house, but I have a beautiful backyard. I grow many kinds of flowers, like roses and sunflowers. I also grow some vegetables, like tomatoes and chili.
That sounds lovely, Emma. Why do you like gardening so much?
It connects me with nature, Leo. Seeing a small seed grow into a beautiful flower makes me very happy. It teaches me patience. It is also a great way to get some fresh air.
I agree. Gardening is a very peaceful hobby. Do you have any other hobbies, Emma?
Yes, I do. On Sundays, I really enjoy cooking. I like to try new recipes from different countries. Last Sunday, I cooked Italian pasta, and it was delicious. Do you like cooking, Leah?
Oh no, Emma. I am a terrible cook. I can only make tea and toast. But I have another hobby that I love very much. I love photography.
Photography? That is interesting. What do you like to take photos of?
I love taking photos of nature and animals. Whenever I go out, I take my camera with me. I love capturing the sunset, the birds on trees, and old buildings.
That is wonderful, Leo. Photography helps you see the beauty in everyday things.
Yes, it does. Hobbies make our lives interesting. They give us a break from our busy daily routines.
Now, let's look at some important words and grammar patterns we used in our conversation. This will help you use them in your daily life.
Great idea, Emma. First, look at how we ask someone about their hobbies. You can ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Or you can ask, "Do you have any hobbies?" Please repeat after me. What do you like to do in your free time?
Perfect. Now, let's look at how to answer. When you answer, you can use the phrase, I love or I enjoy, followed by a verb with ing. For example, Leo said, I love reading. And I said, I enjoy cooking.
Notice that we do not say, I love read or I enjoy cook. We must add ing. Let's practice together. Repeat after Emma. I enjoy swimming.
Very good. Let's learn 3 useful vocabulary words from our talk today. The first word is free time. Free time means the time when you are not working or studying. It is your relaxation time.
The second word is fiction. Fiction means stories that are created from the imagination. They are not true stories. For example, stories about magic or space adventures are fiction.
And the third word is patience. Patience is the ability to wait for something for a long time, without getting angry or upset. Like I said, gardening teaches us patience, because plants take time to grow.
That is a very beautiful lesson about patience, Emma. Well, that is all for today's video, everyone.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed learning English with us today.
Don't forget to practice. In the comments below, tell us, what do you like to do in your free time?
If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to our channel for more slow and easy lessons.
Thank you for watching. See you in our next conversation. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.